Hi everyone! Today I will be making some pink jelly slime. This is a pink jelly. These are the rainbow hearts. This is a clear jelly slime. Ooh la la! Watch me mix the slime. Oh wow! Let's mix the hearts. Whoa! It's squishy. Time to place the label. See you soon!